Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's video, I will show you guys how to update all the apps using one single command. So open up your command prompt and make sure you run it as an administrator. I have two commands noted down for you guys. So this is the first command that we will use to see the entire list of applications that need update. So we will type in this command winget upgrade and press enter. You can see it have listed 4 applications that needs to be updated, and it will show you the current version as well as the available version. So if you want to update all of them, you just need to copy and paste this command. This single command will update all the applications one by one. You don't have to update each and every app individually. You can just go all at once. So for this one, for Audacity one, I cancelled it, but for remaining 3 we will let the update install. So right now it's updating Revo uninstaller, and then Google Chrome is updating now, and the last one is Windows Terminal app, and it's installing right now. So you can do the same, and feel free to comment and share the video if you find this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe if you like to see the similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye now.